Hello students, in this video we are going to learn few more basics of complex numbers. Real and imaginary parts of a complex number. Z is equals to a plus iota b is a complex number. Then a is called real part and is denoted by Re of z. B is called imaginary part of z. B is called imaginary part of z and is denoted by Im of z. That means every complex number will have two parts, namely a real part, imaginary part. For example, 2 minus 3 iota. So now in this complex number, 2 is the real part. So Re of z is equals to 2. Minus 3 is the imaginary part. So Im of z is equals to minus 3. So do remember about real and imaginary parts. Next, conjugate complex numbers. The complex numbers a plus iota b, a minus iota b are called conjugate complex numbers. Each is called conjugate of the other. That means both a plus iota b and a minus iota b are conjugate complex numbers to each other. Just we have sign difference. Real and imaginary parts, you don't have any difference, just they differ with the sign. For example, 2 minus 5 iota. So what is the conjugate complex of 2 minus 5 iota? 2 plus 5 iota. So simple. For example, what is the conjugate of minus 5 iota? It's plus 5 iota. So what is the conjugate of 2? Conjugate of 2 is 2 only. Don't say minus 2. Because 2 is nothing but 2 plus 0 into iota, right? 2 plus 0 into iota. So conjugate means just change the sign. On changing the sign, you will get 2 minus 0 into iota is nothing but 2 only, na? So don't get confused. Next, for example, what is the conjugate of iota minus 5? So these are somewhat confusing concepts. Most of the people used to say iota plus 5. Just they used to change the symbol. But where we need to change the symbol? Symbol of imaginary part. Not to change the symbol of real part. You have to change the symbol of imaginary part. So what we should say? Write real part same minus 5 plus iota. We should write as minus iota. So the conjugate complex of iota minus 5 is minus 5 minus iota. So the conjugate of a complex number z is denoted by z bar. Okay, in problems we used to get z bar means conjugate of z. For example, if z is equals to x plus iota y, then what is z bar? X minus iota y. Okay. Next, moving on to properties of conjugate. Z bar whole bar. That means, suppose if you take z as x plus iota y. So what would be z bar? X minus iota y. Z bar whole bar means conjugate of z bar. Conjugate of z bar means you have to change the symbol of x minus iota y. Symbol of imaginary part in x minus iota y. If you do so, you will get x plus iota y. What you got? Again, you got z or not. So, z bar whole bar formula z. Next, second property. Z plus z bar. Z plus z bar, we will see. So, z is what? X plus iota y. Plus z bar is what? X minus iota y. Now on simplification, minus iota y plus iota y gets cancelled, x plus x, 2x. 2x. What is x? In x plus iota y, x is called as real part of z, Re of z. So 2 into Re of z. So z plus z bar formula 2 into RE of z. Next z minus z bar in the same way, z minus z bar x plus iota y minus z bar means minus x, minus into minus plus iota y. This time minus x plus x gets cancelled. You will get 2 iota into y. So iota into 2y or 2 iota into, okay, can write 2 iota into y. What is y? In x plus iota y, y is known as imaginary part of z, Im of z. Okay. Next, z is equals to z bar. Y implies z is purely real. This is also useful formula. If z is equals to z bar, x plus iota y is equals to x minus iota y. What do you get? X cancelled. So 2 iota y is equals to 0. So 2 cannot be 0. Iota known as root over minus 1, it cannot be 0. So y must be equal to 0. What is y known as? Im of z. Im of z is 0. Imaginary part of z is 0. So the important thing is, if imaginary part of z is 0, that complex number is said to be purely real. A complex number is said to be purely real if its imaginary part is 0. The complex number is said to be purely imaginary if its real part is 0. Okay, so here imaginary part is 0, that's why z is purely real when if z is equal to z bar. In the same way, we can prove if z is equals to minus z bar, we will get z is purely imaginary. That means you are going to get its real part equal to 0. Next, you need to remember additive inverse. So additive inverse of a complex number z is minus z. For example, what is the additive inverse of 2 comma 3? Minus z means minus 2 comma minus 3. So simple. What is the additive inverse of 1 plus iota? Minus 1 minus iota. Like that. So do remember, additive inverse of a complex number z is minus z. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of a complex number z is 1 by z. Okay. We will do one example. Suppose, what is the multiplicative inverse of a complex number 7 plus 24 iota? Let us see. Multiplicative inverse of z is known as 1 by z, na? So 1 by z we have to find. 1 by 7 plus 24 iota. So how to simplify? So division of complex numbers, na? So rationalization of denominator. So multiply and divide by, it is a conjugate complex. 7 plus 24 iota, conjugate is 7 minus 24 iota. Multiply and divide by 7 minus 24 iota. So what do you get? 7 minus 24 iota divided by, denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square, 7 square, 49 minus b square, 24 square, iota square. 24 square, 576, iota square, minus 1. So 7 minus 24 iota by 49 plus 576. So 7 minus 24 iota divided by, we will get this as 625. So this is the multiplicative inverse of 7 plus 24 iota.